Hey guys, today my mom's showing you how to nail the perfect double waterfall braid super easy step by step. I'll guide you through every detail. So let's dive in. The first step is to take a small section at the front and divide it into 3 strands. Then cross the top strand over and into the middle, then cross the bottom strand over and into the middle. Again, cross the top strand over the middle. Then you're going to add a little mohair from the part line to the middle strand. Now drop the bottom strand, pick up a new section from underneath and cross it over and into the middle. Again, cross the top strand over the middle, add hair to it, drop the bottom strand, and pick up a new one from underneath. Keep braiding towards the back of the head. Once you reach the back, finish with a regular braid. Secure it with a hair tie and gently pull apart the edges for added texture. For a half up, half down look, repeat the same steps on the other side. Now grab a new section of hair just below the first braid and split it into 3 strands. Cross the top and bottom strands over the middle. Next, cross the top strand over the middle and add the first drop strand from the previous braid. Drop the bottom strand, then pick up a new section of hair from underneath. Keep adding the drop strands from the first braid. Drop the bottom strand, pick up a new section, and repeat. As you go, create a parallel braid by adding those dropped strands from the first braid. Once you reach the end, finish off with a regular 3-strand braid and secure it with an elastic. Now repeat the same steps on the other side to complete the look. And there you have it, a stunning double waterfall braid, a modern twist on a classic. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy hairstyles. See you in the next one.